Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about BitTorrent price prediction and BitTorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for BitTorrent in 2022. BitTorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. BitTorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, BitTorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC-10 standard. According to official documents, BitTorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original BitTorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed BitTorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content. Sun has left behind. Despite his departure from Tron, Sun promised that he will continue to support and encourage the development of Tron and its decentralized community. Sun has been a controversial figure in the crypto community, notwithstanding allegations of workplace harassment and copyright violations on the Tron whitepaper itself. Tron, which was touted as one of the first Layer 1 blockchains that were considered as Ethereum killers, has had a significant impact in the decentralized finance (DeFi) sector, and continues to grow its features and offerings on its own protocol. And second news today: Yuga Labs buys CryptoPunks and Meebits. After 24 hours of rumors and online speculation, Yuga Labs, the company responsible for the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection, has acquired CryptoPunks and Meebits from the developer Larva Labs. Yuga Labs and Larva Labs made a joint announcement on Twitter on Friday evening. "We now own the brands, copyright in the art, and other IP rights for both collections, along with 423 CryptoPunks and 1711 Meebits," reads Yuga Labs' blog post. Larva Labs says it will retain the rights to its other big NFT collection, Autoglyphs, as well as a group of our favorite punks and meebs. Bored Ape Yacht Club is the most valuable NFT collection in crypto. CryptoPunks are the second most valuable. Yuga Labs also says it plans to grant the commercial rights to all CryptoPunk and Meebit images to their respective owners. The company has already done this for Bored Ape owners. Yuga Labs owns the Bored Ape Yacht Club, but each token holder is free to monetize their specific ape. Holders have used that idea to spin off their own NFT collections based on particular apes, or to sign their apes with major record labels. In February, the company was reported to be in talks with the VC powerhouse Andreessen Horowitz about an investment that would value it at around $5 billion. Much controversy. His background, the way the Tron network was launched, and his alleged centralization, almost every aspect of Sun's life has been at the center of the argument. Upon his departure from the Tron Foundation, Sun declared the network as essentially decentralized. The organization itself was apparently dissolved on July 25, 2021, Sun said the following. He just and Suntron BitTorrent and uTorrent have officially withdrawn from Tron representatives. Instead, the entire Tron network is now run by 27 SRs hosted by the community. In that sense, Sun believes Tron has entered a new age of decentralization and called his followers to embrace the decentralized future. The Bloomberg Post claims Sun gained some notoriety in 2020 after he participated in a charity auction and won a dinner with legendary investor Warren Buffett. The dinner apparently caused some tensions between Sun and the Chinese government, although these reports only remained as speculations. The Tron founder has been around for much longer in the crypto space, as the mainstream media failed to report. He has been involved in arguments with Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum, and other figures, for violating the country's digital legislation, especially those rules pertaining to the collection and utilization of cookies. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, because a couple of years ago, Facebook was once again ordered to pay a total of $550 million for violating Illinois' Biometric Information Privacy Act. While video-focused social networking platform TikTok had to shell out a cool $92 million in relation to a class action lawsuit that alleged the platform been collecting and sharing personal data from its users, and sharing it illegally with third parties in July 25 this year. The revelation follows Sun's announcement that he has been appointed as ambassador of the Grenada government to the World Trade Organization in Geneva, a new role whose duties he would now take, going forward. Aside from his role as ex-CEO of Tron, Justin Sun is CEO of Rainberry Incorporated, which was formerly known as BitTorrent Incorporated, a technology company that developed the BitTorrent peer-to-peer protocol. Rainberry was later subsumed and acquired by Tron in 2018. According to Sun, the decision to step down from Tron was aimed for the greater benefit of society, such that having a founder of a thriving community abdicate all power over users, assets, and data would ultimately be beneficial to the community. Following the announcement, 3 supernodes, Justin Suntron, BitTorrent, and uTorrent, associated with Sun, will be removed and withdrawn from the Tron technical grid, effective immediately. In effect, the Tron community will be voting for 27 new super representatives to replace any sort of consent. BitTorrent is changing today's content distribution landscape. The rise of blockchain technology has resulted in more and more people quickly realizing that their personal data no longer has to remain at the mercy of traditional tech entities. Instead, thanks to the use of decentralized ledgers, it is possible for data to be shared in a manner that is not only decentralized, but also safe and transparent. In this regard, BitTorrent is a blockchain-based data sharing ecosystem that is localized in its governance structure, such that no one individual entity has control over the platform. From a technical standpoint, while most blockchain ecosystems today suffer issues like high gas fees, poor transaction throughput capacities, high migration costs, lack of interchain interoperability, and low horizontal-vertical scalability, BitTorrent bypasses all of these issues, thanks to its future-ready infrastructure. Numbers-wise, the platform offers extremely high network relay speeds of 7,000 transactions per second, TPS, a figure that is extremely lofty when compared with those of rival mainstream projects such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, that offer rates of 30, 1,000, 250, 4,500, 15 Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. BitTorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. BitTorrent Rate Prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in BitTorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2028. The current BitTorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. BTT Rate Prediction 2029. BTT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the BitTorrent rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the BitTorrent rate will be almost $0.046. The maximum bet we can get is $0.054. BitTorrent End 2029